Now comes the part that I really enjoy doing, because this involves two of my really dear personal friends as well as professional colleagues. As we develop presidential symposia, everybody has their different ways of doing it. Each president has his or her own idea and so on. What I wanted to do is to showcase the concept of what I believe this organization is about, and that's translational medicine. And to do that in developing a symposium that I hope would be a model for future symposia, not necessarily as a presidential one, but in the meeting where we have people speaking about more basic science of an aspect, on to the clinical science, on even to the population science as it applies. Today is very much in that regard, in that we are talking about the issues as it relates to biologicals in the development of biologicals in the treatment of asthma. We have two outstanding international speakers. I'm going to identify them both at once, introduce them, just so that we don't go up and down. It's one less chance for me to break my leg walking down the thing. The first presenter is Dr. Larry Borsch. Larry is an outstanding colleague of mine. He is a professor of medicine at the University of Virginia. He's an East Coast guy who then went to Denver for a while and then came back to Virginia and has been there for many years and is a recognized international scholar. Larry is one of the associate editors of the Annals of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology. He is someone who has a way to take very complex information and present it in a fashion that's absolutely understandable. So for those in the audience who say, well, I don't take care of people with asthma, I don't even really care that much about asthma, give him your ear for a moment. He will enthrall you with his information, and he'll make it relevant to the things. So no pressure here, Larry. Just to be able to do that. Following Larry, Dr. John Oppenheimer. Dr. Oppenheimer is a director of clinical research at the Pulmonary and Allergy Associates and clinical professor of medicine at the University of Medicine and Dentistry of New Jersey, UMDNJ. I got it, at Rutgers. He's board certified in medicine and in allergy immunology. John is one of these very interesting people that is extremely knowledgeable about a variety of things, but presents information to you in a way that you say, gee, that makes sense. And it's very worthwhile and very interesting. These two gentlemen are champions in our field and are very capable of representing us very well, and I believe the next 50 minutes or so you will find very worthwhile. We'll start with Larry.